Julie Waldorf, juliewaldorf.com. If you were a bird, where would you live? Would you live on the beach? Would you live in the mountains? Would you live in both spots? Birds of a feather flock together. These guys look like the same feather, that's for sure. Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie. Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie. Where'd my friend go? Where'd my friend go? This person is bugging us. We're supposed to meet some people at the corner here, and this person's bugging us. The nerve. I'm gonna have to fly away and come back later. Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie. Quack, 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 quack. The walking bird. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. That guy. There he goes. He'll be back. Or a bird, I'd live in both spots myself. Which I'm accomplishing slowly but surely. Julie Waldorf, juliewaldorf.com. Ciao, ciao.